Hi, today I want to show you how you can easily replace the battery in a Lenovo Yoga laptop. This is Yoga 13-inch laptop. I have brand new battery. All you need is a couple of screwdrivers. Let's go. To remove the screws, I use T5 tip like this. So of course you need to remove all the screws on the outside, plus there is one in the middle. Normally you should be using the opening tool. I'm using my fingers to open the back of the laptop. So my fingers work better than any tool. Pull the back, there you go, and the back panel is out, exposing the laptop. So we need to remove the screws, and here's the connector connecting the battery to the board. To remove the screws from around the battery, you need a small Phillips tip. Now, as you can see, we can easily move the battery up, and then we need to disconnect the connector. Okay, I guess this is important. This is the connector on a new battery, and it shows on two sides a little clips that we need to push. The best way to remove battery is to put little tweezers on both sides and then gently grab the battery from underneath and give the battery a little pull. Otherwise you're not gonna be able to remove it, because this cable is very stiff. So even if you want to push it back, it's really not gonna go anywhere. So you need to clip it on both sides and pull the entire battery. Okay. So this is the original battery. This is the new battery that was purchased on Amazon for about $50. So this should click. Boom, done. Now all we have to do is reattach the battery to the attachment points and put everything back together. Now all we have to do is just put the back and we're good to go. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.